Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cis Atracurium. Cis Atracurium is four times more potent and it is preferred over the Atracurium, and Cis Atracurium is costly. Advantages of Cis Atracurium is there is no histamine release, and in one-fifth of the cases this Cis Atracurium will produce ladenosin, which can predispose an individual to seizures.
Summary: Cis Atracurium is four times more potent. It is preferred than Atracurium, though it is costly. Advantages are it has no histamine release, and one-fifth of the Cis Atracurium can cause ladenosin and thus resulting in seizures.
thank you and thank you for watching.